everyone must have unforgettable moments with friends or family. So here I want to tell you about a moment that I will never forget with my best friend when I was in high school. This moment is somewhat embarrassing, but at the same time, it's very ridiculous. Ridiculous. Let's listen to my moment. Okay, I'm started when I was in high school. I was very grateful to have good friends. From my elementary to high school, I really like my moment in high school. I got three best friends who were so good. They are so very smart, and of course, they are so humble. In high school, I spent a lot of time together with my best friend, starting from playing, studying, gossiping, and many to do. My high school memories that I can't forget is when my friends and I went to the mall. When we entered the mall, as usually my friends were making so embarrassed that we were kicked out from the mall. So I remember this because wow, this is an embarrassing moment and can't be forgotten. Actually, there are many things that I can't forget. One of which is this, because I don't know, it's so funny when I was remember this moment. So sometimes I want to back to high school because I feel like so happy in my studio high school. So this is like my unforgettable moments with my friends.